everyone, I'm Asmita Das and recently I shifted to Bangalore. So when I shifted to Bangalore, everyone was talking about weather over here. Though I don't know why currently, but no one, not even a single person talked about how difficult it is to find a good PG over here. After scrolling multiple websites, multiple house hunting and lots of confusion, I finally finalized a PG which matches my vibe. So if you're someone who is planning to shift to Bangalore, then this video is for you. Watch it till the end. So I came across Ghadpe, the one who not only claims to offer you PG but also claims to offer you a complete home-like experience. Ghadpe is for everyone. It is not only for girls, it is for boys, co-living girls, whether you're a student or working professional, Ghadpe is for you. So guys, I know first impression matters a lot. When I was looking for PG, the first thing which was my top priority is security. Over here, Ghadpe offers you 24/7 security as well as biometric system. So no random person can enter without your permission. Now that we are done with the entrance, now let me show you the room. Come. Girls, let's be real. एक अच्छा mattress होना कितना ज़रूरी है. And it is so soft and comfy. Because trust me, you need that beauty sleep. Now we have this study table which is very spacious and you have two separate study table over here for each individual. And this is for whether you're a student, whether you're a working professional, this study table is perfect for you. Also, you have this cute aesthetic light over here which looks very nice, like whenever you're studying or working over here. This looks so cute and aesthetic. I just love this part of my room. Moving forward with this spacious wardrobe, as I mentioned earlier, I was looking for something, a wardrobe specially, which can organize, which will keep all my skincare as well as clothes organized. So here it is. I got the perfect one over here. It keeps all my clothes and skincare well organized. I also mentioned I wanted a room which has proper ventilation. So here it is. Now the most important part. I wanted a mirror, a full-size mirror where I can post hashtag OOTD every day. So this is what I got. Perfect mirror for myself where I can take pictures and post on Instagram hashtag OOTD. Now let's be practical, girls. Washroom matters a lot. Like I want my washroom to be clean every time I'm using it because I don't like that messy washroom. So over here the washroom is also very clean. One more thing, you will get housekeeping service every day, so you don't have to worry about messy washroom or messy room. Over here you're getting housekeeping service who will take care of everything. Now one more thing, whether it's my own home or whether it's hotel, every time I travel I look for a spot जहाँ पे मेरा bed से charging point पास में हो. So over here I'm getting my charging point and my bed is nearby, so this is like a plus point for me. Over here you can organize your books, your makeup things or whatever you want. You can keep it over here well organized. This looks very cute and aesthetic right now. Now this is the other room, similar to the room which I just showed you. Over here you are getting two bed, two study table for each of you, and this space you can use it for your reminder, for timetable, or you can use it for your vision board also. Over here getting charging point which is right next to your bed, which is a plus point obviously, and two separate side table over here. You can keep your bottle or your belongings over here. A very cute space over here. You can store your books or anything you want, maybe books or skincare or whatever you want. You can keep it over here. One more thing, let me show you. This is a very cute, again, aesthetic light, which is the best part. I love this light. Here you're getting two big full-size wardrobe for each of you, so you don't need to fight for your space. For each individual there is a two separate size wardrobe where you can keep all your clothes as well as skincare organized over here. Now moving forward with the ventilation part, here you're getting proper sunlight. Also this is a dressing table which is the best part, especially for girls to post that outfit pictures and also to get ready over here with the proper sunlight. And this is the washroom. which is clean right now because the housekeeping just came and cleaned it. Also, one more thing, if you're looking for AC room, that is also available over here. You just need to come and visit Ghar Pe. एक और मेजर कंसर्न होता है पीजी का खाना, बिकॉज आई नो वी ऑल मिस घर का खाना, राइट? सो डोंट वरी, ओवर हियर वी आर गेटिंग 4 टाइम मील्स, ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, इवनिंग स्नैक्स एंड डिनर, which includes North Indian, South Indian as well as continental. The best part is they have in-house cooking, so they don't order anything from outside. The food are very healthy, tasty as well as fresh over here. Grill sandwich for you, and also roti and paratha you are getting over here will be in-house cooked, ekdam fresh or garam garam. You don't need to buy anything from outside. Everything you are getting in-house over here at Ghar Pe. Moving forward with another part of this dining hall, you are getting cutleries over here. For all my coffee lovers, coffee machine is ready for you. It's all sorted. Also, you are getting filtered water over here. For your midnight Maggi cravings, here's things sorted for you. You can cook your own meal whenever you want. So guys, ये था घर पे पीजी का full tour. Well ventilated rooms, clean washroom, tasty food and complete home-like experience. So if you like this PG and if you're shifting to Bangalore looking for best and affordable PG, don't forget to WhatsApp us in this number given below. Also let me know in the comments below your crazy PG experience.